Welcome to our deep dive into ensemble learning models, a powerful and increasingly vital technique in the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In the rapidly evolving landscape of data science, relying on a single model often presents limitations, from susceptibility to noise to suboptimal predictive power. Ensemble learning addresses these challenges by combining the strengths of multiple individual models, much like a team of experts collaborating to solve a complex problem. This synergistic approach often leads to significantly improved accuracy, enhanced robustness, and greater generalization capabilities compared to any single model working in isolation. We'll explore how these sophisticated strategies leverage collective intelligence to push the boundaries of what's possible in predictive analytics, making them indispensable tools for today's data professionals and enthusiasts alike. Prepare to uncover the secrets behind this collective intelligence that makes AI models more reliable and effective. At the heart of ensemble learning lies the intuitive principle known as the wisdom of crowds. This concept suggests that the collective intelligence of a diverse group of individuals often yields a more accurate and reliable outcome than the judgment of any single expert, no matter how brilliant they might be. Imagine a scenario where a large group of people are asked to estimate the number of jelly beans in a jar. While individual guesses might vary wildly, with some being far too high and others far too low, the average of all these independent estimates typically comes remarkably close to the actual number. In machine learning, we apply this same logic. Each individual model acts as a crowd member, offering its unique perspective or prediction. By combining these diverse predictions, ensemble methods effectively smooth out individual errors and biases, leading to a much more robust and accurate final decision. This collective intelligence is what makes ensemble learning so incredibly powerful. Ensemble learning offers a suite of compelling benefits that make it a preferred choice for high-stakes predictive tasks. Firstly, it leads to significantly higher accuracy. By aggregating the predictions from multiple models, ensembles can capture more nuanced patterns in the data and reduce the overall error rate, often surpassing the performance of the best individual model by a substantial margin, sometimes yielding a 10–20% improvement in specific metrics. Secondly, ensembles enhance robustness. They are less susceptible to noise and outliers in the training data because individual models' errors tend to cancel each other out when combined. This makes the overall system more stable and reliable. Thirdly, ensemble methods excel at reducing overfitting. While a single complex model might memorize training data and perform poorly on unseen data, ensembles, particularly those like random forests, introduce randomness and diversity, leading to better generalization and reducing variance. Lastly, they handle complex relationships effectively by allowing different models to specialize in different aspects of the data, collectively deciphering intricate patterns that a single model might miss. Ensemble learning isn't a monolithic technique. Rather, it encompasses several distinct strategies, each with its own approach to combining models and achieving superior performance. We can broadly categorize these methods into a few main types. First, there's bagging, short for bootstrap aggregating, which focuses on training multiple models in parallel on different subsets of the data and then averaging their predictions. Its strength lies in reducing variance. Second, we have boosting, which takes a sequential approach, building models one after another, with each new model attempting to correct the errors of its predecessors. Boosting primarily aims to reduce bias. Third is stacking, a more advanced technique where a meta-learner is trained to combine the predictions of several base models. This creates a multi-layered predictive system. Finally, simpler methods like voting and averaging involve directly combining predictions without complex additional training. Understanding these categories is crucial for selecting the right ensemble strategy for a given problem and leveraging their unique strengths effectively. Bagging, which stands for bootstrap aggregating, is one of the foundational ensemble techniques. Its core idea is surprisingly elegant. It aims to reduce variance and prevent overfitting by training multiple models in parallel. Here's how it works. From the original training dataset, bagging creates several different subsets of data through a process called bootstrapping. Each bootstrap sample is created by randomly sampling with replacement from the original dataset. This means some data points might appear multiple times in a single subset, while others might not appear at all. An independent base model, often decision trees leading to random forest, is then trained on each of these unique bootstrap samples. Because each model sees slightly different data, they tend to make different errors. Finally, for classification tasks, the predictions of all these base models are combined using a majority vote. For regression, their predictions are averaged. This parallel training and aggregation significantly reduces the variance of the overall model, making it more stable and robust. Boosting takes a fundamentally different approach compared to bagging, focusing on sequential learning rather than parallel. Instead of training models independently, boosting builds an ensemble of weak learners in a sequential manner, where each subsequent model attempts to correct the errors made by the previous ones. The process typically starts with a base model trained on the original dataset. After this initial model makes predictions, the instances that were misclassified or poorly predicted are given increased weight, making them more important for the next model's training. This iterative process continues, with each new weak learner focusing on the harder examples that previous models struggled with. The final prediction is a weighted sum of the predictions from all individual models, where models that performed better or were trained on more critical instances contribute more. Popular examples include AdaBoost, gradient boosting, and its highly optimized derivatives like XGBoost and LightGBM, which are renowned for their high accuracy and performance in competitive machine learning tasks. Stacking, or stacked generalization, represents a more sophisticated ensemble technique that introduces a layered architecture to combine predictions. Unlike bagging's parallel approach or boosting's sequential error correction, stacking involves training multiple diverse base models on the original training data. These base models can be of different types, such as decision trees, support vector machines, or neural networks, each offering a unique perspective on the data. Once these base models are trained, their predictions are not directly averaged or voted upon. Instead, their outputs become the input features for a second-level model known as a meta-learner or blender. The meta-learner is then trained to learn how to best combine the predictions of the base models to make the final prediction. This layered approach allows the ensemble to capture complex interactions between the base model's predictions, often leading to even higher accuracy and robustness than other ensemble methods, though it can be more computationally intensive and complex to implement. While bagging, boosting, and stacking offer sophisticated ways to combine models, sometimes simpler strategies can be remarkably effective, especially when you have a set of diverse, already well-performing base models. These simpler methods include voting for classification tasks and averaging for regression tasks. In voting, each base model predicts a class label for a given input. The final prediction is then determined by taking a majority vote among all the base models. For example, if 3 models predict Class A, and Class B, the ensemble's final prediction would be Class A by majority. This hard voting can be extended to soft voting, where probabilities are averaged. For regression problems, the approach is even more straightforward. The final prediction is simply the average of the individual numerical predictions made by each base model. These methods are particularly useful when the individual models are diverse and make independent errors, as their collective decision tends to cancel out individual misjudgments, leading to a more stable and often more accurate result without the added complexity of training a meta-learner. Ensemble learning isn't just a theoretical concept. It's a driving force behind many of the advanced AI applications we interact with daily, profoundly transforming various industries. In the financial sector, ensemble models are crucial for robust fraud detection, identifying anomalous transactions with high accuracy, protecting billions of dollars. In healthcare, they aid in medical diagnosis, combining insights from different models to provide more reliable predictions for disease detection and patient outcomes, potentially improving diagnostic accuracy by up to 15–20%. Recommendation systems, like those used by Netflix or Amazon, heavily rely on ensembles to suggest movies or products, enhancing user experience and driving significant revenue. Natural language processing, NLP, tasks such as sentiment analysis and machine translation also benefit from ensembles, leading to more nuanced and accurate language understanding. Furthermore, in the cutting-edge field of autonomous vehicles, ensembles help process complex sensor data, making critical real-time decisions for navigation and safety. The impact of these models is widespread and continues to grow. As we look to the future, ensemble learning is poised for continued innovation and remains an indispensable component of advanced AI systems. While incredibly powerful, these models do come with their own set of challenges. One primary concern is interpretability. Understanding why an ensemble model made a particular prediction can be more complex than dissecting a single, simpler model, posing challenges in domains requiring high transparency like healthcare or finance. Another factor is computational cost. Training and deploying multiple models, especially with large data sets, demands significant computational resources and time, which can be a bottleneck. However, ongoing research is actively addressing these issues with advancements in explainable AI, XAI for ensembles, and more efficient parallel computing techniques. We're also seeing the rise of hybrid approaches, combining traditional ensembles with deep learning and the integration of ensemble methods into automated machine learning, AutoML, platforms, making them more accessible. The journey of ensemble learning is far from over, promising even more robust and intelligent AI solutions in the years to come.